Hello friends and welcome to another video. Today I'm making a Shoyru from Neopets. So let's get started. First I'm doing the feet, and you have two separate colors for the feet because the toe is like a slightly darker color, so I'm going to align those and pin them. Next is the belly, and that's the inside arm, which will align with the divot on the belly. Now I've sewn the colors onto the feet on the body, and now I'm sewing the outer arm to the body. Also have to pin this in place. I think you'll find that a lot of this video is pinning because I'm pinning it and then I'm sewing it. So you can see here I've sewn the arm. And now the leg will be lined with the belly. And I do have this pattern on my site. I'll put it in the description down below. It's not too difficult. It actually comes together pretty quickly. Now you can see I have one belly piece here, and I'm just going to show you how it aligns with the body. So you have the arms will be aligned with each other, and then of course the inner leg will align with the leg on the body piece, and then this point just goes up to the tail here. And I'm gonna go ahead and pin it all together now, like the same way that I was just showing you. Now Neopets is actually celebrating its 25th anniversary this year, which is crazy to me. Some of my pets are old enough to drink and they're not even level 250. My Neopets have been starving several times over the years. I don't actually have a Shoyru on the site, but I've always liked how they looked. They were always cute to me. Just cute little dragons that look really shy. Especially the Mariquan Shoyrus are so cute. They're just little turtles. Now I have it all pinned up, and I'm gonna sew it together. Now you can see I've got it sewn, the leg and everything, and I'm just gonna cut this space in between the leg and the foot. I'm also going to clip the seams around some of the rounded edges. Now here's the bottom of the foot, which of course is going to align with the foot on the body. And of course, make sure you have the colors matched up. Now here's the wings. For this one, I was just going to actually sew the wings together in between the back seam. And you don't have to do this. Actually, I sewed it and then I decided I didn't really like how it looked. So now I'm just lining up the back here, lining up the front, the belly. So yeah, the wings I'm putting in between the back pieces, and I'm going to sew them in between the seam. But yeah, after I did that, I decided I didn't like how the wings looked. They were like too close together for me, so I actually went and took them out, and I ended up sewing them onto the back with a ladder stitch. So either way you want to do it, whatever looks good to you, just go ahead and do that. Now I have the body all sewn up, and once again I'm clipping the seams. And here we go, turning right side out. Your little feet's turning right side out. Okay, moving on to the head, and there's a dart on the under the eye. Gotta sew the darts together. Voila! And then you sew the two head pieces together down the middle, so he's got his little nose. And this is the back of the head, and I'm going to attach the horn to this little divot. Once again, just pinning. Seems like a majority of plush making is just pinning things together. Especially with Minky, it's pretty slippery, so you don't want anything to move out of alignment when you're sewing it. So yeah, just lots of pinning. And I'm just aligning the back head pieces together. And now I have a finished back head. And I'm going to just align that with the front, put the two center seams together, and they'll line up on the sides. And what is your favorite color, Shoyru? Just let me know in the comments your favorite color of Shoyru, because a lot of them are pretty cute. And as you probably saw in the beginning of this video, I also made a pink Shoyru, which I always thought was a lovely color. And now because I put the wings in the back, I actually left a hole on the back of the head to turn right side out. And now I will be aligning the head to the body, matching up the seams on the front and back. And what I do, I actually put the body, I stuff it inside of the head so that I have a clear path to sew around the neck. And now he's almost done. Look at him. I turned him right side out through the back of the head, and now I'm going to stuff him. And I won't bore you too much with the stuffing, but I just use my hemostats to put all that in there. And voila, they're finished. They're so cute. And I do have the pattern on my site, so if you'd like to make your own Shoyru, go ahead and check that out in the description. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye!